What's up, guys? I get a little nostalgic looking at these earbuds. The thing is, we tested the EarFun Air over 4 years ago on our channel Tech Brothers. I guess these were the first earbuds in the series. Now I have the new 2024 model, and it is called EarFun Air Pro 4. And this is already the fourth generation of the earbuds. Unfortunately, I didn't test the second and third ones, but I am excited to test the newest 2024 earbuds. For the price of $89, the EarFun Air Pro 4 has many features such as Qualcomm audio chip with aptX and Bluetooth 5.4 support, 10mm composite dynamic drivers, and LDAC codec support, adaptive noise cancellation up to 50 dB, low latency mode, mobile app support, and up to 52 hours of total battery life. So at first glance, these are good earbuds at an affordable price. Let's see if that's the case. The earbuds come in a very nice box. I like the color combination of yellow and white. The box also has a lot of information about the product. I have already told you about the main features, but you can read them again on the back of the box. Opening the box, we see an envelope with a user manual and warranty card inside. And then there is a charging case with earbuds. We will take a closer look at them a little later. It also comes with ear tips of different sizes. At the end we have USB Type-C charging cable. That's all for the unboxing. Let's move on to the design of the EarFun Air Pro 4. First, I like the compact size of the charging case. Its dimensions are 60 by 45 by 27 mm. The weight of the case with earbuds is 53 grams. You know, this case will fit in any pocket. By the way, the charging case is made of a very pleasant to the touch plastic. It feels like it is rubberized, but that's unlikely. The main thing is that it doesn't leave fingerprints. I have the earbuds in black, but they also available in white. You know, I like them even better in white. However, it is matter of taste. The charging case features 3 LED indicators on the front and USB Type-C charging port on the back. There are another 2 LED indicators inside the case, as well as a power button. By the way, LED indicators inside are flashing now, which means the earbuds are in pairing mode. You can press power button 3 times to reset the earbuds to factory defaults. When it comes to design of the earbuds, they are made of glossy plastic, while outer side is matte. I think I wouldn't be wrong if I said that the circle is a touch control panel. We will talk about control functions a little bit later. There are charging contacts on the inside, as well as big letters R and left, so you don't get confused. As I said before, the earbuds come with extra silicone ear tips, and you should size them to your comfort. In fact, it is important to do this not only for your comfort, but also for better sound quality. You should also know about IPX5 water and sweat protection rating of the EarFun Air Pro 4. You can exercise with the earbuds on. They fit very securely in my ears, so I don't think they will fall out during sports. As I said, the earbuds support the mobile app. Let's take a look at it. First, you need to install EarFun Audio App on your smartphone. It is available on Android and iOS devices. So in the app we can see the battery level of the left and right earbuds, as well as charging case. Then we can select the noise cancellation mode, namely normal, ambient sound, and noise cancelling. The ambient sound also has default and natural modes. There are also many noise cancelling modes available, such as strong ANC, balance ANC, AI Environment Adaptive ANC, AI Ear Adaptive ANC, and Wind Noise Cancellation. I have never seen so much noise cancelling modes before. We will check them out later. The earbuds support game mode, and you can enable it in the app. We will also test the latency in games a bit later. Then you can enable in-ear detection function. Yes, it does work. The music pauses when you take the earbud out of your ear. By the way, the noise cancelling also turns off when you take the earbuds out of your ear. In the EarFun Equalizer menu, we have many presets, such as Default, Vocal Enhancement, Vocal Reduction, Bass Boost 1, 2, and 3, Bass Reduction 1, 2, and 3, Treble Boost, and Reduction. You can even choose a preset for specific genre of music – natural, Latin, blues, metal, dance, country, etc. If you want, you can create your custom equalizer and sound profile. Talking about control functions, first you can disable all controls. If you decide to keep the controls, you can customize the button functions with a single tap, double tap, triple tap, and a long press. All functions are available for the left and right earbuds. That's very good. The new EarFun earbuds also supports dual device connection, and you can even see the connected devices. The next function in the app is microphone. You can select automatic mode, always on the left ear or always on the right ear. You know there are even voice prompt settings available in the app with voice volume and voice languages such as English, Japanese, German, and Chinese. Maybe the new languages will be added with updates. The EarFun earbuds supports Qualcomm aptX and LDAC codecs, but they are only available for Android devices. If you look at iOS app, you will find only low-energy audio and aura cost. But even here, low-energy audio is not supported yet. If you have lost one of the earbuds, you can try to find it. The sound is very loud, so you don't play it when you wear the earbuds. There is also a product tutorial, FAQ, and a version in the app. You know the EarFun Air Pro 4 has many useful functions in the app that I haven't seen in other earbuds. Now let's check out some of them. For example, the game mode. First, we will play PUBG Mobile with game mode turned off, and then we will turn it on. So if you play mobile games, you should enable game mode on the EarFun earbuds to reduce latency. When it comes to the microphone, the new EarFun earbuds are equipped with a 6-microphone system. Each earbud has 3 mics. However, only one of them is a talk microphone, while other 2, such as feed-forward and feedback, are used for noise cancelling. The earbuds also use AI algorithm and CVC 8.0 technology to suppress all types of noise. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up? I'm testing the microphone quality of the EarFun Air Pro 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How do you hear me? Now I play the video with street noise on my computer. Listen to it without my voice. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Do you hear the noise? I think the microphone quality of the EarFun earbuds is good. Even in a noisy place, you will be well heard. Let's move on to sound quality. The earbuds are equipped with 10mm Composite dynamic drivers. They also support aptX adaptive, LDAC, AAC, and SBC codecs. You know, aptX adaptive and LDAC codecs support can make a big difference in music quality, but you also need your smartphone to support them. Unfortunately, the iPhone doesn't support aptX and LDAC codecs. However, I am glad the earbuds have AAC and SBC codec support. As far as I know, the iPhone also supports them. So enough about the technical stuff, and I will just say my impressions. I have tried different equalizers presets, and they really change the sound. However, since I listen to the music of different genres, I have found the default preset is the best for me. Without exaggeration, these are probably the best sounding earbuds I have tested recently. They have a perfect balance between low, mid, and high frequencies. The earbuds have very good bass, but vocals remain clear. I really like the sound of the EarFun Air Pro 4. Talking about ANC, the earbuds use QuietSmart 3.0 adaptive noise cancellation technology up to 50 decibels. I have already shown you many ANC modes in the app. If you select strong ANC mode, you will feel like you are in a vacuum. It is even a little scary and uncomfortable for me, but that's only when you are not listening to music. When you turn on the music, there is nothing to distract you from listening. You can also use ambient sound to keep you safe, for example, when you are running outside. In that case, you need to hear ambient noises. At the end, let's talk about the battery. A bit of dry numbers. The battery capacity of the charging case is 600 mAh, and each earbud is 44 mAh. I guess that doesn't tell you much. The most important thing is battery life, and it is about 7.5 hours on a single charge with ANC on and 11 hours with ANC off. The total battery life with charging case is 35 hours with ANC on and 52 hours with ANC off. Overall, the earbuds have very good battery life. In addition, they support fast charging and even wireless charging. So today we were testing flagship earbuds at an affordable price. In my opinion, the EarFun Air Pro 4 are very decent and one of the best under $100. Also, many technologies are only available with flagship Android phones, such as aptX lossless audio and LDAC codec support. I really liked the sound on my iPhone. I also want to mention the mobile app because it has many functions, including ANC modes, equalizer, game mode, etc. By the way, you can use 20% off coupon code on Amazon, so the earbuds will cost you about $70. That's a great deal. Thank you for watching. See you soon!